You can create many dishes from rice, and I'm going to show you how to do creamed and steamed rice cakes. For this recipe I'm using 250 grams white rice. You can use brown rice instead. And I soaked this last night. Half a teaspoon of yeast with 250 milliliters milk, cream or coconut milk or even any other plant-based milk product, and 100 grams coconut sugar. You can use jaggery powder instead or brown sugar, and 75 grams plain flour, 20 grams sugar, 50 grams cashew nuts with 50 grams sultana. So let's start doing this. First you need to strain the water from the rice. After, add the soaked rice into a food processor or a blender. Now into that add the coconut milk or any other milk you have. After, add the coconut sugar. Blend. After it is ready, if you doubt, you can strain this through a sieve, and now pour it into a bowl. After, add the flour and mix. Into that add the sugar and half a teaspoon of yeast. Mix. Add the cashew and the sultana into it and mix. After, cover and leave to dry. So the batter for the rice cakes ready, and this is how it is. It's double in size. Now I'm going to mix. You can create one large cake from this, or you can get molds like this and make sure to spray them really well, or brush the oil in each cup. Using a ladle or a jug, pour the mixture in. Leave about 1 inch. So I poured them, and now put them in steaming trays. And steam this about 30 minutes. So the rice cakes or the rice pudding is ready, and this is how it is. So if you spray nicely, it comes out so well. So I'll take them all. So it's so soft and moist, and you can serve this as this is to go with a nice cup of tea, or even you can serve this as a dessert with some cream or ice cream on the side, and you can freeze them without a problem too. So soft, moist, fruity rice cakes. Thank you for watching.